Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to put together and turn on the GG3600 gas generator. Putting together a unit can be really daunting, especially if you've never done it before, so we're going to give you the step-by-step process on how to put your unit together.
Your unit will come with the tools and parts you need to put your unit together. Here is a list of tools you will use to put your unit together. Some tools will come with your unit, others you will have to purchase separately. Slide the pin into the wheel. Then slide the wheel with the pin in it into the wheel bracket. Insert the washer and the cotter pin through the axle pin hole. Next, you will need your frame foot and 2 screws. Line up the holes on the bottom of the bracket. Then, screw in the screws in each hole. Use a wrench to make sure it's secure. Now, you will need the handle and 2 screws. Just like the foot frame, line up the holes, put the screws in, and tighten them with a wrench. To put in your oil for the first time, unscrew the oil cap and make sure it's clean. Once you do, put your funnel into the receptacle and pour in the engine oil. Like a car, the oil level has to be within a safe zone between L and H as shown on the stick. Next, we need to take care of our gasoline. To keep your gasoline lasting longer, pour in the appropriate amount of fuel stabilizer in your gas can. The amount of stabilizer will depend on how many gallons you have. Once your unit is outside, unscrew the gas cap. Put the funnel in and pour in your fuel. Be sure to wipe down your unit if you spill any gas. Remove the funnel and screw the gas cap back on. Check the fuel level so you know how much fuel you have. Once fueled, you can turn the machine on. Next, you will open the fuel valve, turn the engine switch to on, and slide the engine choke to full choke position. Grab the recoil handle and pull away from the unit until the unit turns on. When the engine runs for 2 to 3 seconds, move the choke knob to run. Let your engine run for a little before you plug anything in. Then you're all set. When you are ready to use your appliances, flip the breaker switch to on, plug in your appliance, and you will be good to go. When you are done using your appliances, simply unplug your tool and turn the on-off button switch to off. If you are not planning on using your unit for over 24 hours, then turn off the unit by turning off the fuel valve. This will cause the excess fuel to burn off in the carburetor. This will cause the engine to stop and will combat against gum deposits in your carburetor.
In conclusion, machine maintenance is key to keeping your generator in good shape. So be sure to read your user manual thoroughly so you know how to best take care of your machine. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!